The relationship between the United States of America and the Islamic Republic of Iran is volatile. I want to meet Iranian mothers in their homes before our sons meet on the battlefield.
I didn't even know that it would be possible for Americans to go there. I just want you to be careful and maybe not mention to people you're Jewish.
Say bye-bye.
For those female travellers with us, we do ask you to respect Islamic tradition here in Iran and make sure that you are suitably attired.
Marjane, my producer, is Iranian American. She's been in Tehran for the past few months trying to find 3 families willing to spend much of their summer with me, Matteo, and a camera crew.
Smells bad.
Now, can I take my hijab off?
Of course not.
No, it stays on even in the car.
Yeah.
This is Layli and Sina.
But she's the actress?
She's the actress. She's actually the single mom.
The single mom,
yeah.
that's right.
How are you? خوب شما خوبی؟
Merci, so nice to finally meet you.
همیشه پیش خودم فکر میکردم نکنه که نیما بخواد از من سینا رو بگیره و سینا پیش اون باشه.
They're the religious family.
They're the
right?
religious family, exactly.
So is this family pro-Ahmadinejad?
Yeah, they are.
So do I shake his hand? No,
you don't shake his hand. And don't take off your manto. It's just...
My manto?
Yeah.
You mean my hijab?
Your hijab, everything. Is this your manto?
No, I've got nothing under this. I'm not going to take it off.
That's good.
Salam. Oh, Hurra is such a big girl.
مرجان مشکی هستم 32 سالمه مادر 2 تا بچه
Why you were divorced?
Why? Oh, very good question. Do you have a few days?
Yes.
توی دنیا فکر می‌کنم مثلا ایرانی مسلمون یه حالت اصطلاح سیاسیش تروریسته، یعنی همه چی رو با گلوله و ضرب و زور میخواد جواب بده.
Are you Matteo? This is Orang. I'm gonna be your babysitter. How are you? Don't throw it on my head.
This is bizarre. Everything's so bizarre.
Yeah.
And here's Daniel's family. He speaks fluent English.
Oh.
اسمی بود که همه جا راحتم باهاش. هم اینجا راحتن، هم اونجا، هم فرانسه، هم جاهای دیگه میشناسن. باز اسم غریبه‌ای نیستش. وقتی فردا میخواد حرکتی بکنه، مثلا خب برادرام آمریکا هستن و انگلیس و متفاوت، راحته رفت آمدش.
دانیال نماز میخونی ماما؟
The Tarabi family invited us to join them on a road trip to Mashhad, the holiest city in Iran, home to the shrine of Imam Reza.
I am not Muslim. I'm Kalimi. Kalimi, Jewish. My father Kalimi, my mother Kalimi, Yehuda.
Protestant or Catholic?
No, Jewish.
Halfway through the summer, I got a call from the intelligence ministry.
What is this about the film or me or... I have my visa. 48 hours?
No reason was given, but I was told that Matteo and I had to be out of the country in 48 hours.
Look, Iran is surrounded by 13 countries, and most of them have U.S. military bases.
When you return to your country,
yes,
I will miss you,
I'll
really.
miss you too.
In spite, you are Jewish, okay? With a different religion, and culture, but you found me.